Hi Leos, welcome to my channel JK777. This is your love reading for the month of June 2020. This is for all. This is for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And if you are a cross watcher, please keep that in mind that the energies will be vice versa or interchangeable. Also guys, this is a general reading. It will resonate with most of you but not all of you, okay? So please don't try to fit in, and because some messages may be for you, some messages may be for some other Leo. I will try to pick up the energies and speak whatever I see here, okay? Now I'll proceed further. Let's see, I'll keep the cards aside. Okay, now let's see what are the overall energies for you Leo this month. Let's see, what do we have for Leo? What messages do we get for Leo? We'll try to pick up your energies and then your partner's energy. So, and we'll then see the overall outcome for you for this month, Leos. I'm not getting any messages for you, Leos. Why? Strange. I got it. Okay. I'll pull more 2 cards for you. So we have the Knight of Wands, Leo, for you. So certainly you are traveling somewhere, or you have some plans, you want to go somewhere out, and you're literally waiting, you're dying to go somewhere out. Maybe it could be because of the lockdown, you feel stuck. See, I've got this one more card here. This is the 6 of Wands. I've got one more card. We have the Hermit in reverse, and we have the Justice here. So some of you, I feel that you are studying spiritual. Okay, I got one more card, so I'll pull this also for you, Leo. This is 4 of Pentacles here. So some of you, I feel that you're very focused in studying spirituality. You may try to get into a joint business. Maybe there's someone who has approached you for a business, or you may have approached somebody for a joint business. You want to work it out with one of your friends or colleagues. You want to do something with your partner. That is also an overall energy for you. In some cases, I do feel that you're trying hard to find balance between 2 things. It could be your family and your love life, or your work and your love life, something like this. And Leos, this is a month of all self-realizations. You are focusing on yourself, focusing on how do you go about in life, and how do you come out as a winner, how do you emerge as a winner. Maybe you are going through some obstacles in your life at this moment. We have the 6 of Wands. So things are not as smooth as it seems for people around you. Maybe you try to show them the brave front, but internally you are in a mess. But I do see that you're very positive about future. You are no more in that 8 of Swords, 9 of Swords energy. You have come out of that. You are no more in that energy that I used to feel. But however, you are still stuck. However, you are not moving forward. There is something that is holding you down, and especially I feel that this could be your ex or somebody that you are dating. Just a sec, I'll clear it more. So let's see now. I just keep this aside because we'll have some more cards here. So let's see, Leos, what do we have for you this month, June 2020? Dear universe, angels and spirit guides, give me a message for Leos for this month, June 2020. Okay, this card had to come out, so I'm picking this up. Let me pull some more cards. I just said Leo. Okay, this is your energy, Leos. You're feeling very confident, you're feeling very positive about life, you have some responsibilities, you feel burdened, Leo. We have the 10 of wands, so you feel the pressure, you want to earn, you want to get settled, you feel that you have some responsibilities on your shoulders, and you're trying hard, you're really trying hard to work it out, and you want to do something on your own, and it could be for your family. Maybe you have, just a sec. So okay, this card had to see, Leo. I just talk about you and you appear in this reading. This is you, Leo. You're trying to be strong. My God, we have the Page of Cups for you and a 10 of Pentacles for you, Leo. Okay, some of you, I feel that you have had a bitter ending, or you're going through some difficult phase, especially if you were married. I feel that you are going through some difficult phase in your marriage. Some of you have already got divorced, or you are in process of that, something like this. And if you are dating, then maybe there is separation that is in process. Okay, and you have been through it and you are over it now, Leos. Okay, it's because I do see that you have diverted your mind to somebody else, something else, and especially work. And for some of you, I do feel that there's this new person, you are knowing, you are seeing them, maybe you are dating them. Okay, this is not for all. For some of you, this person wants to give you stability, they want to marry you, they see happy family with you. Let me see their energies, Leo. Why I'm seeing this again and again, there is somebody, Leo, that you have to forget, and it is your ex, and you are not forgetting them. You are still stuck on your ex, you are thinking a lot about them. This has popped out, but I'll shuffle it again. Okay, now see, this is your person's energy. Let me pull out. I think your partner, they are juggling between two things. It could be work and you, their family and you, something like this, but they are not yet sure, and they are still struggling between two things. The person that you are dealing with in the month of June, Leos. Now there's a strong message, Leo, for you. You have to forget your ex, somebody you have. Okay, this just popped out. This is your person's energy. 8 of Swords. Okay, this is the Fool. Leos, I feel that some of you are single at the moment. That is because you have been through a separation in the past or recent past, or you are still going through it. Now that could also be a reason that you're very hopeful about the future. You're waiting for the Mr. Right, Mrs. Right. For some of you, I feel that you've already met this person. This person is already there. See, Leo, this is your energy. You're very confused about somebody in your life. And as I said, some of you have just come out of this phase of depression, anxiety. Okay, we have the Queen of Pentacles in reverse again. Some of you feel that you're waiting for a commitment from someone. You're waiting for the right time, something like this. Could be that your person is not yet ready because they are juggling between two people, two things, and you are waiting for the right moment, right time. For some of you, you're waiting for things to get better in your current relationship. I do see long distance relationship for you, Leos. So could be that you and your partner, you're not together, or there is a distance. Maybe they stay somewhere else, you stay somewhere else, or you are together, but yet it could be that you both are in the same place, but you cannot meet each other for some reasons. So I do see distance is also an issue right now in the month of June for you, Leos. And Leos, there's somebody in your life. This is your person's energy. Leos, there's someone in your life who really likes you. And let me see their energy now. As I said, this person is not sure, Leo. They are stuck. They are stuck between two things, and they are not. They are trapped in something. It could be they are trapped. And this person is very serious for you because we have the Ace of Pentacles. This person wants to offer marriage. This person wants to offer commitment. They are serious for you, but then they are juggling. In some cases, this person could be in relationship with somebody else. Okay, they are already in a relationship where they are not happy. Okay, maybe they have to take this decision, something like this, but this person is trapped in something. Okay, maybe because of which they are, but they are serious for you. And see, we have the Wheel of Fortune, Leo. So this is a gift that has been given to you by universe. This person and you have some karmic bonds with each other. This person really dreams about you a lot, Leo. Okay, they really think about you a lot. Let's see something more for you, Leos. Okay, so we have the Chariot. Oh my god. So Chariot with the Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles. Definitely this person is stuck between two people, and it is quite possible that this person is married and this person is dating you, or this person loves you. And if you are dating, maybe this person has somebody else in their life and they are not happy with that person, something like this, and they want to move forward with you. Because we have the Two of Pentacles here, we have the Hierophant in reverse here, we have Leo, your own card, that is Strength. So let me pull out some more cards for you, Leo. Let's see. Let me bring these cards here so that you can see them well. Okay, let me see your energies, Leo, for June 2020. I do see that you're waiting for a job offer or business offer, something like this. And there are some delays. You are going to get it, but then there are some delays. And as far as your family life is concerned, yes, I do feel that you have a lot of family support. And you may be spending a lot of time, quality time with your family. This is your energy. We have the Two of Wands here. So some of you want to go somewhere out. Could be that you have got an opportunity to go to a different country and you're thinking over it. Maybe you want to go for work, or there is somebody who stays in a different country and you want to go and meet them. Something like this. You are giving a serious thought. Maybe your partner, this person, they stay in a different country. Okay, and you want to go and meet them, or you want to be with them, something like this. Because we have, or could be that you want to go to a different country for job, business, you want to explore, you're waiting for the right time. Some of you are waiting for somebody else to come and see you. Okay, let me see what's coming up for Leos in the month of June 2020. Okay, oh my god, we have the High Priestess here. So let me clarify the High Priestess here. Eight of Wands. Okay, Leo, see, I feel that some of you, I'll just keep these cards like this so that you can see them. Okay, Leos, I feel that you are, some of you, this message is for some of you, okay? Maybe you are in a relationship and you are hiding it from people around you. That could also be the reason why you are thinking over this situation and you're thinking a lot. Okay, this is for some of you, not for all. So could it be that you both are married or one of you is married, something like this. Okay, maybe you're dating a person who is already married or you are married, and either that is the case, or if you both are single, then your person is in a different relationship, you are in a different relationship, and you both have this strong attraction towards each other. And so yes, I do see that some of you are in a secret relationship now. That, see, and I think in this both of you have to work. You both are thinking a lot over the situation, Leos. Confused, you don't know what to do. And if you're too young, you are dating this person, you're not sure whether this person is genuine towards you or not, because as I said that they may be in a relationship already and they are getting closer to you. This person is asking you out, or you both are already meeting each other. And okay, see, for some of you Leos, I feel that this person who is approaching you, you're not very happy with them, you're not paying attention to them. I don't know, there's something that's bothering you and you feel that you're not happy with them. Okay, this is for some of you, you're not happy with this person who loves you, and you are not sure about them. That is also a reason why you are going to take your own time, Leos. Okay, you are not going to rush into this so soon. You're going to take your own sweet time, because I feel that you're confused. You're not sure about this person who is approaching you, who is giving you this offer of marriage. And as I said, the reason could be that this person is confused. You feel that they're sailing on two boats, and you're not sure about something. And could be that you are in a marriage and you're stuck in a marriage, you don't know what to do, you are stuck. Could be that if you're not married, you're dating this person, you're not happy in this existing relationship, and the reason is compatibility, Leos. There's somebody in your life, Leos, who you really love a lot, and this could be your husband or wife, but things are not favorable for you at this moment. It's like, okay, see, we have the Hermit in reverse. So this has come for the Hierophant in reverse. So as I told you, Leos, if you are, this relationship is difficult, especially a marriage. I don't know if I am getting this very strongly for married people, that there is a marriage that is coming to an end. You are trying hard, but somehow you have given up internally. So you are going with the flow. As of now, I feel you're going with the flow. For singles, I feel that you're going with the flow, exploring relationships, waiting for the right person to come your way. And yes, if you are single, then definitely there is the solid commitment that's coming your way, but I feel that it is going to take time for some of you. Okay, you may have to wait a bit, because this is the Ace of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune, so you may have to wait a bit. For some of you, I feel that you literally are trying hard to work on your relationship. You want your relationship to work out. You are giving it all that you can in this relationship. This is especially for people who are married. We have the Hierophant in reverse. Okay, so you are trying to save your marriage, Leos. This is your energy, and this is, I told you that some of you are in a secret relationship. You're dating somebody else. Okay, maybe you're cheating on your partner. This is for very few of you. Please keep that in mind, not for all. Okay, that's the energy. See, We have the death in reverse. So as I told you, Leos, there's something that is coming to an end, and that process is, you're still in that process. That process is not yet over. You feel it's over, but it's not over. This process is taking some time. So there is a journey, and this is heading towards an end. This is your relationship, either you are dating each other, something like this. But barring that, I, you know, the good thing that I see here is this person has already entered. The one who is, somebody new has already come in your life, and this person loves you. You're seeing somebody. For some of you, this could be your past energy. The good news is that, as I told you, that for some of you, you're already dating somebody, you like this person a lot, there is a deep attraction, and I feel that this person is trying hard to be with you, and you also like them, but you are not too sure. You are open to this relationship, but I feel that there's something, could be that you feel that you're not compatible with this person. That could be a reason why you're not happy with this person, you know, who loves you, who wants to be with you. Definitely there's a lot of communication between you both right now. This person may be sending you a lot of messages, this person may be calling you a lot, something like this. But yes, so Leos, there are some major changes that are happening in your life, and we have the Wheel of Fortune. So some major changes happening in your life, but whatever is happening for your own good, because we have the Wheel of Fortune upright. Let me see what messages do we have from Romance Angel deck for you. Leo, there's this strong message that's coming again for you. You are being too introvert at the moment, so you have to look at this. Love yourself first. This is a message for you. So okay, let me tell you that first. So this message is, you're being introvert. Of course, that's your trait. You are an introvert, Leo, but you know, you'll have to socialize a bit, and this is coming again for the second time. I think I got this message last time also for you, so I'm getting it again. So deception, there is somebody in your life, you know, who is wearing a false mask. Okay, Leo, this is for you. So there is somebody in your life who is not being true to you, so be careful. This is for some of you, as I told you. Okay, that is also the reason, didn't I just say that you're not happy with somebody? There is somebody who is not being true to you, Leo. Okay, now this could be the new person. Now be careful, maybe you will get two options. So there is somebody who is not right, and there's somebody who is right. So follow your intuition and choose the right one, Leos. Okay, maybe you are single and you have two options in your life. So there is somebody who is wearing a false mask, and there is somebody who is genuine, so you'll have to choose between two, Leos. Let me see what messages do we have for Leos. Dear universe, please give me a message for, okay, this just popped out. Now this is the third message, that is, keep an open mind. So Leos, your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. Now this could also mean that some of you are fixated, you know, you want a certain type of a person, but not necessary, you know, that that person will meet all your requirements. So you may have to compromise a bit. Okay, so be open minded, and it could be that you may be from two different countries or two different cultures, or could be that you have this age gap between you both. Could be that culturally you are from two different backgrounds, whatever it is, but you will have to be open, and don't be rigid in your thoughts and requirements. It should not be like, you know, I want a person who is just like this. You'll have to be open, you'll have to compromise a bit. Okay, Leos, that's the message that I'm seeing here for you. So of course this person is going to be nice, but you may have to compromise a bit. because maybe you are expecting 100 out of 100, and this person will have qualities which will be around 70 out of 100. So you will have to compromise a bit. So be open and be careful. You'll have to find out who is the genuine person and who is not the one. Follow your intuition, Leos. Follow your intuition. Your intuition will guide you. Let me see what else do we have for you, Leos. I also see health issues for some of you, okay? You are going through some recovery. Look at this. The message is just go with the flow, Leos. Just go with the flow. Universe is by your side. We have the wheel of fortune upright. So everything, you're going to have some positive changes in your life. They're just coming up for you. Okay, just go with the flow. Don't resist change. You're trying to resist change, which is wrong. Whatever is happening for your own good, Leos. You won't realize it today, you'll realize it 6 months down the line. Let me see, what is this? This is find balance, which is come in reverse. See, as I told you, some of you, you're going through health issues also. So make sure that you're not overdoing things. Focus on your health, focus on your love life, focus on your career. Just try to do everything in moderation. Just don't overdo it. Some of you, as I don't know if I told you before, but some of you, you're trying to study spirituality. Now that is one. This is the card that I see. Just breathe. This is also telling you the same thing. Just enjoy, Leo. Enjoy. Focus on today. You know, you are too worried about tomorrow. Look at this. This is not the place where you should be in, okay? You're too worried about what will happen tomorrow, you know, etc., etc. How will it happen? How will I do it? You know, these are the thoughts that, are haunting you. So please, the message is just breathe. Enjoy your moment. Universe is by your side. Your spirit guides are with you. They are going to help you overcome this phase of life. Okay, the phase where you're going through a divorce, or you're going through a separation with your partner, and you're going through whatever it is, but you're going to come out. Okay, you're going to be victorious. Okay, let me see what else. Okay, this card just popped up. Heal. So didn't I just say that some of you are healing? Okay, so you are not well, Leos, and you are recovering. So definitely I see recovery. So you are going to get well soon. Let me pull out some more cards from this Goddess Guidance deck. Let's see, what do we have for Leos for the month of June 2020. Leos, there are two people in your life. Now, one of them is genuine. Alright, one of them is genuine. You'll have to, some of you, you may even have 3 options. You'll have to make sure that you follow your intuition and choose the right one, okay? Oh my god, didn't I just say, I was just talking about this and this card popped up. Listen to your intuition. I just said that listen to your intuition and this card popped up. See, so that's the message strongly, because I think you're going to be very confused between 3 people, 2 people. So you are going to have 2, 3 people, some of you even 4 people. I don't know, you are lucky. Why I do see this, I don't know, but I do see that you are having many options, Leos. Because see, we have the 7 of Cups in reverse. So you definitely have many options in your life, and you'll have to choose wisely, because one of them is a deceptive person. So you'll have to make sure that you don't fall into this trap. Any more messages for Leos? Okay, don't stop. Leos, don't stop. Some of you, you feel like giving up. So please don't stop. Just move on, because see, we have the 8 of Wands for you. So some of you, I feel that you are going to get engaged soon. Maybe this person will propose to you and they may ask you to get engaged or something like this, because we have the 8 of Wands. Please don't stop, Leos. Okay, I don't know why I have this message for you. I don't know what is it that you are Okay, this just popped up. Peaceful resolution. Okay, I don't know who this message is for. Don't stop. You want to bring an end to something in your life, or you want to stop. You feel like giving up on something. So the message is don't stop. Don't give up. Just hold on to that thing. Listen to your intuition and peaceful resolution. So whatever it is going to happen peacefully in your life. Okay, maybe you're going through some separation, so whatever it is, it will happen peacefully. Don't worry about it. Let me pull out one more last card for you, Leos. Okay, okay, okay. See, this is a card that just popped up. Perfect timing. Now this card is trying to tell you that this is for all, people who are looking for the right partner. You're going to meet your person in the right time, so you both are going to come together. Or as I said, for some of you, this person has already entered, but you are going to take some time to decide who is the right one for you. So whatever it is, everything is going to happen as per the divine plan. So just trust universe, because whatever is happening will happen at the right time. Just be patient, Leos. You are being very impatient, and yeah, you don't have to be in this energy of worrying. You're worrying a lot. Okay, you're worrying a lot. You're not sleeping in the night, or you really think a lot. You're thinking a lot over the situation, so you have to come out of that. Okay, so I really hope, Leos, you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. Also, for personal readings, you can always get in touch with me. My website address is jyotitarotreadings.com. It's mentioned here on the screen. Also, you can book your readings there. Okay, now you take care, Leos. Bye bye.